Hello, 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 everyone. Welcome back today to Liz's Kitchen. So, today we are preparing what we all know ramen noodle soup. Just different way of preparing this. And, guys, you're going to enjoy this. So, just a regular ramen noodle soup packet. I'm using two of these. And I'm going to put them in some warm water for about 10 minutes, guys, before we start the process. So we're going to let them sit in some warm water just to loosen them up before we start cooking everything. And this meal takes 30 minutes or less. All right. I'm adding, of course, some mixed vegetables in there. Also, I will be adding in some shrimp. As you can see, I have my shrimp all washed up, and I'm just going to season it up and let it sit until I'm ready to fry this. Okay, and like I say, my vegetables. So this is my three main ingredients. Also, I will be using some onions. Yes, this is red onions. I'm going to chop these up and put them in there. Also, some garlic. So I do have a garlic. I'm going to chop up or blend. Either way is fine. Also, I'm going to have some onions, salt. My season will be onion salt that I will be putting in. So any brand is fine. Also, I'm going to put some soy sauce in here. So you can also add some soy sauce in there. Black pepper. It's going to put in some black pepper. Yep. Also, I'm going to be putting in salt, regular salt, and some seasoning. I'm going to put all-purpose season in there. So all-purpose season. I'm going to use some onion powder. All right, just a regular onion powder. Any brand is good. Um, some olive oil. Yep, I'm going to be using some olive oil. So any brand is good. As long as it's olive oil, and also a stick of butter that I'm going to add in. Yep, a stick of butter. All right. So with that said, let's get cooking, guys. First, my onions. I'm going to chop up or blend. Either way is fine, but I'm going to chop the onions up, so it's going to take me a minute. While I'm chopping them up, I'm going to put these into some warm water and let it sit. And after that, we will be ready to go on the stove and start cooking, right? So I will be back in a few minutes, and yeah, see you later. Okay, so here we are. Everything is cut up. So we did the vegetables, um, rinsed them up, the noodles. We did put the noodles in water, warm water, for like 5 minutes, not too long, so we can have the noodles a little bit soft and taken apart, because you don't want it stuck together when you're trying to fry them up, okay? Now, I'm going to add my stick of butter. Not the whole stick. Let's put half. We're going to put half of butter. Okay. Just half a stick of butter. Put a little bit on the heat. Put it on medium heat Should be a medium. All right. Now, olive oil. We're going to add a little bit of olive oil to this. Any oil you have. I'm using olive oil. Okay. Just a little bit of olive oil. Now, get the butter fried a little bit. All right, now here I'm going to add my shrimp and my onions. So you see I chopped up the onions and I'm going to put that in there with the shrimp. Let it fry. When you get the shrimp, make sure the shrimp is cooked shrimp, okay? This is not the raw shrimp. This is already cooked. It's a cooked shrimp. Because you want this meal to be cooked in 30 minutes. So, yes, you don't want the shrimp to be raw. Always make sure it's the cooked shrimp that you buy. All right? And let it fry with the onions. And the hardest part is just getting everything chopped up, just to prep. Okay, so we're gonna wait. The shrimp and the onions gonna cook. You don't have to worry about it getting cooked too long. Give it some heat. Make sure the heat is towards the high side, not too low. You want it higher because you want this to fry real quick. It's a quick meal, so just make sure the heat is up a little bit. While it's cooking, I'm going to add in some more seasoning on it. So add a little bit of, this is just regular all-purpose season. And next I'm going to put some salt. Put a little bit of salt. Okay. And a little bit of black pepper. Get the black pepper in there. Okay, some onion salt. Put in some onion salt. And I'm going to put in granulated onions. My vegetables. I'm going to add the vegetables. So we're gonna get that 5 to 10 minutes cooking. So let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes. And once this is done, you're almost there. So while this is cooking, if this is your first time to my channel, thank you for coming on. And please subscribe to my video. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate you turning in today. And I do upload different, all types of food. So feel free to join me anytime. And I appreciate you. Thank you. All right, so let's see. My shrimp is cooking. Vegetables cooking. All we gotta do, I'm going to add in the garlic. So I did blend the garlic, so it has water. So I'm going to add that to my shrimp. Okay, guys, this is my garlic. Blended it with a little bit of water in it. Okay. Well, just look at that. Now I'm going to add in my soy sauce. This is 1 pack of the seasoning that comes in the ramen pack. I'm going to add 1 pack on it just to give it that flavor. Okay. Remember, I used 2 packs, so I'm only adding 1 pack of the seasoning. Guys, just waiting to make sure your vegetable is cooked, and now we can go ahead and add the noodles. So you already know the shrimp is pre-cooked, so you just really steaming it up, so you don't have to worry about the shrimp. It's already pre-cooked. Alrighty, that's what you want to see. Now, all we need to do here, I'm going to go ahead and throw in my ramen noodles. See how that is loosened up? You don't want it to be too soft, and you don't want it too hard. So, for 5 minutes in the water, take the water off, and you're good to go. And you can get yourself a nice ramen noodles meal. I tell you, you try this and you will never eat a ramen like you normally do. This is so good. You can adjust your heat if you think it's too high. You can always adjust it. But this noodles is ready. Let's look at that. Alright, there you go. It's all good to go. You can try this at home and let me know how your turns out. This is your ramen noodles with shrimp. So, shrimp ramen noodles. There you go. What you think? Yep. Here we go. All good to go, guys. All right, this is it. We are all done. Yep, and I'm ready to eat. Thanks for joining me, for watching my video, and subscribe. I really appreciate you watching. And yes, I will see you on my next video. Enjoy this, and please let me know how your turns out, okay? Until then, see ya.